Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming iPad OS 18 is active and your iPad is charged. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and Multitasking or Accessibility depending on your model, because app color options live in these panels. Once there, tap the relevant app icon or display section to begin. You want to access per app appearance controls. Make sure you have the target app installed and visible on the home screen, so you can preview changes immediately. Now you'll select the specific app from the list to reveal its appearance controls. This is where the how matters. Choose color accents or icon tint and pick a theme such as light or dark to change perceived color. Sliders let you fine-tune saturation and contrast for readability. Once you apply a preset or adjust values, the system shows a live preview so you can evaluate contrast and accessibility. If multiple profiles exist, switch between them to compare results quickly and confidently. Finish by tapping Apply or Save, then inspect the home screen and open the app to confirm the new color is active. This ensures the change affects both the icon and in-app accents. If colors don't update right away, force quit and relaunch the app, because many visual changes require a restart to refresh caches. If problems persist, reset the app's appearance settings or install any pending iPad OS updates. This resolves most bugs and guarantees compatibility with the new color controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.